Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step comparison of AWeber versus Kartra. It's easy to follow along, and if you'd like to join in, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Let's start with AWeber. AWeber has been a trusted name in the email marketing industry for many years, offering a straightforward solution primarily aimed at small businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. One of AWeber's main strengths is its simplicity. It provides an easy-to-use drag-and-drop email builder, a wide selection of email templates, and automation features that allow you to create campaigns without any technical hassle. AWeber also offers list management tools, helping users segment their audience and send personalized emails to boost engagement. Another notable feature is its autoresponder, which allows you to automate email sequences, ensuring your audience receives timely messages based on their behavior or interests. For those seeking basic yet effective email marketing with reliable customer support, AWeber is an excellent choice, especially for businesses starting small and focusing solely on email communication. Now, let's move on to Kartra. Unlike AWeber, Kartra is a full-fledged business platform. It's designed not only for email marketing, but also for managing nearly every aspect of an online business. Kartra goes beyond email by offering tools to build sales funnels, landing pages, and membership sites. It even includes options for video hosting, help desks, and affiliate management. Essentially, Kartra provides everything you need to run and scale an online business all in one place. Kartra's email marketing features are more advanced, offering complex automation workflows that allow you to target your audience with greater precision. The platform's integration with other features, such as sales funnels and CRM, makes it ideal for users looking to track and optimize the entire customer journey. Additionally, Kartra's drag-and-drop interface for building landing pages and funnels is intuitive, making it perfect for businesses that want more than just email marketing, but also want to streamline operations across various marketing channels. In summary, if you're looking for an email marketing tool that's easy to use and cost-effective, AWeber is a great fit for small businesses. On the other hand, Kartra is for those who want an all-in-one business platform that covers everything from email marketing to building complex sales funnels, making it a comprehensive solution for growing and scaling a business. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching,